Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to preview your work in Adobe InDesign. So first you will need to open your InDesign software and follow these simple steps. As you can see here, I just added some text box, even that they are empty, and this is a shape. Here in the working panel or working mode, you can see all the outlines, and it can be messy to see your work, like having all the borders and having the links, etc, etc. Now if you want to preview your mode, so you want to see if there is a changing to do or not. Basically, we need just to change the view mode of our page. So we go here in the tools panel, we go to the preview mode, and you hold click, then we go to the preview, and here we'll find our shapes without all the board lines or the outlines of the objects. And now you can see all the things and preview your page. There is another way to do it, is by going to the view menu or the view tab here and search for the screen mode, and here we will go to the normal as we did before, or you just click on the preview. There is another mode that is good to see in the preview mode, which is the presentation mode. You can do it just with the shift and W, and you will have your modes, and you can scroll your pages by clicking on the up and down keyboard keys. So basically you can either click with the shift plus W, or you can do it from the screen mode. You can see the presentation mode, or you can do it in here in the preview mode in the tool panel, and go to the presentation mode, and you will see your work. So basically those are the methods to preview your work in Adobe InDesign. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.